Hello. After demonstrating how to edit a Marie code and after checking the correctness of the assembly, it's time to run the program. In this video, we will show you the necessary steps to successfully run the program, taking into consideration some settings and tunings. Let's start. First of all, file load, since we have already written the program. We choose our file, summer 2017 demo, and press open. Look here, the file extension is MEX, which stands for Marie executable file. Okay, so this is the one to be chosen, and we click open. As you can see, this is the program. This is in the edit mode and this is in the running mode. Next, in order to run, we can have two options. We either run the whole program one shot, or we can use step by step. If the stepping mode was off, you can turn it on in order to do a step-by-step execution. So this is number one. Number two, let's have a look at these here. Here we have the registers of the Marie: the accumulator, the instruction register, the memory address register, the memory buffer register, the program counter, and the input output. Here it's better to change it to decimal in order to obtain your desired input or output. So we change these into decimal. And also you have what we call the symbol map. Let's have a look at it. This symbol map here we go, shows you the labels. Okay, the labels we have used, the if, then, else, and if, x, y, z, test val, all of them with their location, so their addresses are found. For example, test val 10f, the address is 10f. Great. Also note that the directive org 100 will direct the program to start at address 100. Okay, let's start executing this program. Note that the values of x is 5, y 2, z 0, and test val is -1. Let me remind you that DEC stands for what? The decimal. Okay. Now, press step and watch how the register's values will be changed. So loading test val, the accumulator will be FFFFY. This is because the test value is -1. -1 in decimal is equivalent to FFF in hex, and so on. Next, we have the if statement here actually the command is skip count. If is just a label. So skip count 000 means what? Skip count 000 means you have to skip the next instruction, which is jump else, if the accumulator is less than 0. So this is the case. If you press step again, you will see that. So jump else has been skipped. Clear. Clear means what? That the AC will be 0. Step subtract y. Subtract y. Y is equal to, then the accumulator will have the value FFFE, which is, if you want to see it in hexadecimal, it is, or in decimal, sorry, it is -2. Okay. Next, jump and if. So the jump command will let the program jump into the label and if. Let us see. As you can see, we're now here. Add x. Add x. X is equal to 5. Okay, the previous value of the accumulator is -2. -2 plus 5, then the value, the new value of the accumulator will be 3. Okay, again, add x, then the value of the accumulator will be 8. Store z, the value of z was 0. Now it will be 8. You can have a look at this. 10E, z is an address 10E. If we go to 100 plus E is 10E, you will see that the value of z is 8. Also, the value of the accumulator is 8. Okay, now we come to the output part. Step, and here we go. The output is 8. After that we have halt, which ends your program. So these lines will not be executed. This program is completed.